Hello people, it's Esther here again, and I am back with another Edtech Simplified video.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your flashcards, whether from scratch or from a template, and it would be great for you to practice what you're about to learn and of course watch this video till the end.
We are on my Canva now. I have a free account and I have a pro account. That's a paid account. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using my free account. You can see here, free. I just want to show you how much you can do with the free Canva. You don't have to pay for it to be able to create your first set of flashcards. Right. I'm going to show you templates of existing flashcards here. So I'm going to go to search your content or canvas. Click on that and type flashcard. Awesome. These are templates. You could pick any of these templates to start with, and you see that there are different proportions to it. Some templates have 8 cards, some have 2 cards, some have 6 cards. The kind of template you choose doesn't really matter, but yeah, you could choose any of this. And you could also create a blank flashcard. To create a blank flashcard, just click on create a blank flashcard and it's going to redirect you to a blank flashcard. Actually, the proportion of a flashcard, the size of a flashcard is A4 paper in landscape. That's it, nothing fancy, nothing big, and you can choose to now arrange your cards on this, but I don't think you need to go through this process, although that's what I prefer. I love to design my work from scratch, but you don't need to go through all this process. We'll just click on one of these templates and part of the body. Yes, this is what we're going to use. So what do? I want to talk about part of the body in French. This is in English. Do I like the color? Do I like the images? Maybe not. So what do? Right, I click on this image. You can see the green grid line, and I can go to elements and search for knee. Okay, well, I do have different examples of knee or different images of knee. Now you see that some of these images are pro. They are pro, which means you have to pay before you can access them. Well, not to worry. There are platforms where you can get free stock images. I'm gonna put a list in the description to this video, but yeah, you have Unsplash. Unsplash is awesome. But for the purpose of this video, let's choose one of this knee. Even though this one is okay, right? I'm just gonna bring it right here. I want to delete this, and then I'm gonna resize. But this, I don't like where it's facing. I would flip to the other side, flip horizontal, and if I'm okay with the font, yeah, it's good to go. Right, but if I'm not okay with this color, with this whole thing, I could actually change it. White. Do I like purple, or do I want to change it to blue? Oh, I like this one. It's popping. Yeah, okay, this works. So you can do that for all your designs. But if you feel this is too tiny for you and it won't make you work effectively, then I have great news for you. Alright, the way I create my flashcard is what I'm about to show you now. I love it. Let's get to it. We are back to the home page and we want to create our flashcards in a different way. Right, what we need is an A4 document. You can click here because it's right here, A4 document, or you actually search for A4. If you don't find it where I just showed you, you can click here. So A4 document, click on that and create a blank A4 document. I create a blank A4 document. Voila, I want to design my flashcard the way I love it. So the blank document is right before me. Where do I start from? What do I do? Oh my god, yeah, I know what to do. I go to elements and I type in square. Dun, 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 dun. I click on the first square I see because I like it. Click on it. Okay, my element is on my paper now. What next? What do I do next? All right, I want to expand this square. So I'm gonna drag from the edge. Do not drag from the side. This is the side. First off, drag from the edge. I'm gonna drag from the edge, and yep, that was what I was looking for. The grid line. The grid line is my measuring tape. Then I drag on the other edge, still following the grid. Good. Then I drag from the side now. Awesome, awesome. Where are you, grid? Where? Great, awesome. It's taking a form now. But do I like this? I'm not sure I like this color. This is where you want to change your color. You can change the color of this square element, or you change the color of your background. Let's start with the background. Maybe you want to change the background to blue, or you want to leave it as white, and then you change your element color to white. Okay, this isn't bad, but I would have preferred it the other way around. This should be white and this should be blue. Awesome. And then what next? What do? I want to talk about animals, right? This flashcard is about animals in Portuguese. Then I proceed to elements again. I type lion. Let's see the kind of lions they have. These lions are not quite it. I don't like them, right? So I got a lion from Free Pick. It's in my uploads. I've uploaded it here already. But yeah, you can also use any of these lions. This looks good, but it's pro. Remember, you don't have to use images on Canva. You can source your image from other platforms and upload to Canva like I did. This is my image, my lion. Love my lion. My lion is on my flashcard now. Well, I have to name it. Move it up a bit, follow the grid. Awesome, perfect. Now I want to name it. If I include the text here, it might not be visible. So what I want to do now is include an element. What do I include? A square. Once again. Then I'm gonna just drag it below a bit and extend it to the side. Alright. But I'm gonna change the color because it needs to be visible. Perfect. Then I can put the name of the animal there. How do I do that? I go back to the left side and click on text. You could add a title, you could add a heading, a subheading, or a little text. I'm gonna click on add a heading. I love the boldness. So yeah, I type lion. Good. It cannot stay here. I have to move it down to this place. Oh, lion. Good. Just that I do not like this font. I want to change the font. I go to the format settings and I choose this. This is one of my favorite fonts. Yeah, I like it. Or we go for the bold. Yeah, we bolden it a bit and then extend it. So yeah, my flashcard is ready. Simple as ABC. You could duplicate this and continue. You could decide to change the color. Oh, this isn't bad. If you're interested in adding your logo, that's some sort of branding, you can add it to the corners or the edges of your flashcards. Yeah, that's it on creating flashcards. Thank you for watching this video. I know you learned a thing or two. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos drop. Thank you. Bye.